Whispers in the dark. Share a sadness. No way back.